Hello children, so here I am again with another quiz session from your next chapter, that is more on Windows 7. So let us start with the first question. The dash option is available on the power options window. Power saver. The dash in Windows 7 is used to save power of the system. Which mode? Sleep mode. The low screen resolution displays dash information on the screen. Less information on the screen. Click the dash category from the control panel window to change the setting of the sleep mode. Hardware and sound. To change the password, click the user accounts and family safety category on the dash window. Control panel. Dash is the style of type text. It is easy font. To change password, click the dash option on the user accounts and family safety window. To change password, user accounts. The dash allows you to view the RAM capacity. Yes, we know that. System configuration. You can change the font from the dash dialog box. Which dialog box? Window color and appearance. You can change the password on the dash window. User account. To select the personalization option, right click on the desktop. When sleep mode is on, the running processes are stopped. To change the appearance of objects, click the dash option on the personalization window. Display window. Display option. You can view the system properties on the system window. The option spots the available screen resolution for system. Available screen resolution system? No.
Oops, that is incorrect.
It will be detect. Another question is like that, only that's why you need a dash to improve security of your computer. You need a login password. You can adjust the size of objects by certain percentage on the dash window. You can adjust the size.
Oops,
Sorry,
that is
I thought the screen resolution.
that's correct.
Here they are asking certain percentage on the display window. Okay, display window. The dash option checks the best resolution for your screen. Yeah, here it will be identified. To change the font, the dash tab should be clicked on the personalization window. To change the font, the dash tab, window color, sound, screensaver, window color. The dash setting allows you to adjust the amount of information on screen. The setting, display setting.
Oops, that is incorrect.
Wait. Settings allow you to adjust screen resolution.
That's correct.
Lots of questions were there, na? That's why I got confused. In three questions were wrong. No worry. Okay, so we have completed the second quiz session also. So after that we will start our new chapter. Okay, till then stay safe and take care.